Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to delete your Windows old update on your Windows 11. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So first you need to open your Windows settings. You can use this shortcut key to open the settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. So this is the shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the settings guys, you need to find out storage and open it, and in the storage guys you can get the temporary files option. As you can see, so it will take some time to load that files, so wait for few seconds, and after this guys just open this temporary file option. It will scan your all temporary files, as you can see. So if you want to delete Windows old updates, just you need to select delivery optimization files and uncheck this all files like this, and also you need to select Windows upgrade log files, or here you can get another option, Windows update files. So just you need to select that files. After this guys, here you can get the option remove file. If you want to delete your old updates of your Windows 11, just click on it. That's it. So this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.